Let's make pumpkin rice and dried shrimp braised pumpkin. These two recipes are easy and super delicious. Dried shrimp braised pumpkin is healthy and flavorful. Pumpkin rice is easy and tastes with strong dried shrimp aromatics. I cook one big pot every time for my family. Pumpkin rice ingredients are rice, dried shrimp, mushrooms, and pumpkin. Pumpkin remove seeds and skin and cubes pumpkin. Sliced mushroom. Stir-fry fried shrimps until fragrant. Mushroom slices. Pumpkin cubes. Pour rice and stir fry. One teaspoon salt and pepper powder, 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, optional to add chicken powder. Dark soy sauce to add color. Add water and start cooking rice. Rice is done. Smells so good. Garnish with cucumber and fried shallots. Pumpkin rice is done. You must try this recipe. Share it with your friends and family also. Follow and support my channel for more delicious recipes. Next, let's braised pumpkin with dried shrimp. Stir-fry dried shrimp. Add pumpkin cubes, stir-fry until fragrant. One tablespoon oyster sauce. Add 1 bowl water, cover lid and cook with medium flame until pumpkin softened and gravy is reduced. Open lid and stir-fry occasionally to avoid bottom burnt. Plate. Dried shrimps braised pumpkin is done. This recipe is super easy. No seasoning is needed because dried shrimp has enough saltiness. Thanks for watching. Follow my channel for more delicious recipes. See you in next video, ya.